Hello dear friends, this video we can see what is heart failure, causes of heart failure, what is difference between left-sided and right-sided heart failure. What is heart failure? In heart failure, heart is unable to pump enough blood to meet the metabolic needs of the body. So our heart cannot able to pump effectively in heart failure. What are the causes of heart failure? Main cause of heart failure is coronary artery disease, hypertension, severe hypertension and diabetes, severe anemia, hypoxia, cardiac dysarrhythmias, electrolyte abnormalities. Maybe more causes are there. So main causes are these. Coronary artery disease, that is atherosclerotic substances, deposition of fat substances in our arteries, coronary arteries. It may lead to ischemia and necrosis of cardiac muscles. Finally, cell death will occur. That may lead to cardiac heart failure. Then severe hypertension cause workload, increased workload of the heart leads to hypertrophy of the cardiac muscles and may cause heart failure. Then severe diabetes also cause heart failure. Then what is difference between left-sided heart failure and right-sided heart failure? You may have doubt what is the difference between left-sided and right-sided heart failure. In right-sided heart failure, in our body, usual mechanism is from our all area of the body, deoxygenated blood is collecting in the right atrium through the inferior and superior vena cava. Inferior vena cava is the largest vein in our body. So usually right atrium carries deoxygenated blood to the right ventricle, but in right-sided heart failure, right ventricle cannot pump adequate blood to the lungs, cannot eject blood to the lungs because of weak right ventricle. It may cause backflow of the right ventricle to the right atrium and to different areas of our body veins. It may lead to severe abdominal distension, fluid overload, peripheral fluids overload in all over our body. It may cause jugular venous distension, ascites, abdominal enlargement, and accumulate fluid different parts of our body, especially ankles. You may have seen the patient with severe leg swelling, ankle swelling, ascites. You can suspect these patients right-sided heart failure. What is left-sided heart failure? In left-sided heart failure, usual mechanism is from the lungs, the oxygenated blood carried to the left atrium, then to the left ventricle. But in left-sided heart failure, left ventricle cannot eject adequate blood to the aorta. From the left ventricle, usually the oxygenated blood eject to the aorta and through the arteries carry the oxygenated blood to the different parts of the body. But in left heart failure, left ventricle cannot eject adequate blood to the aorta. It may lead to severe pulmonary obstructions and severe breathing difficulty, especially during sleeping. The patient may have get up immediately after sleep, 1 or 2 hours after sleep. He may have paroxysmal nocturnal dyspnea. Paroxysmal nocturnal dyspnea means nocturnal related to sleep. Patient may have severe dyspnea during sleep. He may have orthopnea. He should have orthopnea. That is, patient may have difficulty in breathing while lying down, and he may get up, sit or stand. He may have severe breathing difficulty. That is paroxysmal nocturnal dyspnea. Don't forget, paroxysmal nocturnal dyspnea is the main symptoms of left-sided heart failure, and fluid accumulation, edema, ascites, jugular venous distension is the main symptoms of right-sided heart failure. In left-sided heart failure, there are other symptoms are there. Coughing, wheezing will be present. Cardiac dysarrhythmia will be present, and severe confusion, irritability, severe anxiety, sometimes panic attack may be present. I think you understood the difference between left-sided and right-sided heart failure. This is very important topic. What is heart failure? You know, our heart cannot eject adequate blood to our different organs. That is generally what is heart failure. And what are the causes? Main cause is CAD, coronary artery disease, then severe hypertension. These all are the main causes. Then valvular disease, electrolyte abnormalities, severe anemia, severe diabetes, all may leads to cardiac heart failure. Difference between right-sided and left-sided heart failure, very important. In right-sided heart failure, there will be jugular distension. When you hear about right-sided heart failure, you should think that we may have fluid overload in our different areas of the body. Ascites, jugular venous distension, and fluid overload may leads to breathing difficulty. In left-sided heart failure, paroxysmal nocturnal dyspnea will be present. So I think you understood the topic. Please study the lesson. You may get 1 or 2 marks for your examination. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel for coming more nursing related videos. Don't forget to like this video and share this video to your friends.